Hello guys, welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley, and this is a TS Tech Talk video guys. On today's video I'm going to show you how to remix a video on Facebook app on your Reels. So you can only remix on Reels anyway. You can't remix on any other video just about on Facebook, so you can only remix on the Reels section. For instance, if you go to the Facebook gaming section or probably scroll down to any video on Facebook, apart from Reels, you are not going to be able to remix on any of those videos. Well, let me go ahead and click on this area and let me show you guys. For instance, I want to, yes, I've paused. Okay, so normally if you want to remix, you have to click on this top area to remix, but for some reason there is no option to remix. Right now you cannot remix this section. That is because there is no option to remix. So let me go ahead and go back, navigate back also to the home page. So to remix on Instagram, on Facebook application, you need to go over to the Reels section or click on this Reels and then click on the view all and then wait for the video to start. So guys, quick tip guys, you cannot remix on every video on Facebook. There are some videos that you can't remix on. So let's try this out. Click on this three dotted icon, click on the remix, but I'm not interested. Okay, let's do the remix right here. So I'm going to click on this three dotted icon and then I'm going to tap on create remix. Now this is an introduction of the remix. This is actually how it works. You notice there is this side and there is this other side, so it's actually explaining how the remix actually works. So the remix is actually going to display my face on one side and then the main video on the other side. So let's click on the remix to start remixing. All right, so this is my face right there and this is the video on the other side. So if I actually want to remix with a video, I can just go ahead and tap on any video right here to start the remixing, and then I can start the remixing. And also if I want to make use of effects, I can always choose this effect section, and then you notice there are different effects. I can swipe to select any effect, just about any effect. Really, I'm not interested in making use of any of these, but I just want to show you guys how it works. So I'm going to go ahead and disable this. So to start making use of your video, just go ahead and click on the start recording, or you can notice the sound that is using, you can also change it. The sound is currently using is actually finesse, so you can change that finesse sound if you want to. So to start remixing this, once I click on this recording button, I will no longer be able to talk, because if I talk you cannot hear me because it's probably using the audio on the recording. So I'm going to tap on this remix and then allow it to remix. So hit the button right there to start the remixing. I'm going to do that just about now. add the description to your video, and then just a remix, and then you can go ahead and add a hashtag. Do not miss adding hashtag is actually what helps your video get discovered on the platform. So once you're done, click on share reels and the video will start being uploaded to your reels section. So that is all I want to show you on how to remix a reels. But guys, it's not every video that you can actually remix. There are some videos that do not have remix option, and the reason is probably because this option is just coming, and you notice this particular video don't have any option to remix. And let me scroll even further. This has a remix and this doesn't have a remix. So there are some videos that doesn't have a remix, and I'm going to explain that later on for you. So this is all I want to show you on today's video. And also, I think the video has published successfully, and I can go over to my profile and then scroll over to the reel section. I didn't click on the profile yet. Scroll over to the reels section and then click on the reels, and I should be able to see the reel remix I just did, which is probably there on the first section. This is the video. So also